Hey guys, this video is meant to help you be able to do your first chin-up, or if you can do some, it is meant to actually help progress your chin-ups from where you are so that you're able to do more and be stronger in them. So for starters, you're going to set yourself up with the Smith machine. You're going to set the bar to a low level so that you can bend your knees and your bum's almost touching the ground while your hands are fully extended. You're going to barely use your feet here while they're flat on the ground, mostly using your arms so that you're actually getting a feeling of what the chin-up feels like. You want to keep your shoulders back and down away from your ears. From there, once you've mastered that, you can lift the bar up higher and do the exact same thing, or you can jump up and do holds to negatives. So here you're trying to hold yourself up without getting too much swing in the legs. Again, keeping those shoulders back and down. Another tip is to keep your core tight and try to keep your hips back. Once you've mastered the last one, you can lift the barbell up even higher, and you're going to do a little hop to get yourself up, still using your arms for the most power. Continue progressing on this. As it gets easier, you can do longer holds and longer negatives. And then you'll be able to do your first chin-up.